Hello and welcome back. Tuck the shirt in. Get all professional. I finally got all the tools I need to pull the motor out of the car. I've got the garage all reorganized and emptied, and today we're going to start pulling that motor. It's the engine hoist, getting that set up. The legs of the hoist wouldn't fit under the car, so I had to jack that up, set it on some 2x6s. I went ahead and used pressure treated lumber so it doesn't rot or anything. Set down a whole ton of cardboard to catch whatever's gonna come out of this beast. So now that she's in here, jacked up, wheels chocked, in neutral, I gotta attach this plate to the intake manifold, which will give me a point to run chains down to the hoist here and pull the motor right out. So I got that plate on, but the truth of the matter is I really have very little idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before. Playing it by ear. And what I really ought to do is drain the transmission and decouple it from the drive shaft, take all the linkages and shit off of it, and I'll be able to pull the whole bad boy out. But I'm not quite sure if I want to pull the transmission or just the motor. I got two voices in my head right now. One that's telling me, what the hell are you doing? You're not a mechanic. You're gonna mess this all up. It's gonna cost you $1 million. It's never gonna run again. And then I got this other voice saying, well, one man can do, another can do. So we're gonna find out which is right. It's probably somewhere in between. Well, I decided on it. I am gonna take the whole thing out with the transmission. Go big or go home. It's gonna suck. On the car now. That's me. That's the flex plate. That's the, what do you call that? It's that thingy, it's full of fluid. Torque converter. That's the torque converter. And that is the transmission pan. We're gonna go ahead and drain this transmission. I really don't have any fucking clue what I'm... So we're gonna zip under the car real quick. At the back end. Because apparently, I gotta take the freaking drive shaft off. Let's see if I can get under here. Kinda, sorta. That's what'll smash my face right there when the car rolls off. I did it. I got it. They said it'd be easy. I said it would be easy. It's easy. It's great. I'm having a wonderful time. Come out to the coast. We'll get together, have a few laughs. It's great. And sure enough, just like that, the big bad is coming loose. Come on, you son of a bitch. Don't you tighten back up on me. I'm gonna get him all the way out. I'm not friends with this guy. Come on, we've all been waiting for. Ta-da. Watch, these were the wrong, this is the wrong guy. There was a whole nother bolt like back here I was supposed to do. Okay. Got that whole guy out. Now, allegedly, this whole thing is going to scoot that way, which it's definitely not going to do. I do, however, have a persuader here. Let's see if we can get that in there. Oh, shit, isn't it? It's coming out. There appears to be some sort of doodad in here. And it's on top of the camera. Oh, I got her. I got her now. Where'd he go? That's a drive shaft. Out. This is the back of the transmission. We just pulled the drive shaft off it. This guy here is a cable that goes to my speedometer that doesn't work, and I'm gonna take him off. She's just barely snug, like everything else. Should probably disconnect that guy over there. How in the world am I gonna do that? It would suck to be big. My back is killing me. Oh, I got him. Here we go. She's out. That's one last thing. I think that's everything off the back. Now I'm on the front passenger side. I gotta take all this garbage out. Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to get this off? How in the name of... Oh, that's my eyes. Oh, I think I got it. This is just like a fun thing. I am getting it. Look at me. This is fucking ridiculous. The cramping that you get in your hands. Can I do the old twirly? Nope. Oh, God. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it under. Love it under here. I got a good spin that time. There we go. She's loose. Pouring all over. So that's one down. I actually really can't see this one. Maybe I should take the kick down out first. This guy here is called the kick down cable. Got that one out. It's just, there she is. I don't think I was supposed to take that out. That's the guy I can't get out. I could use a fancy little doodad like this, and I might have to, but I'm just gonna use these old tin snips. See if that works. Ah, yeah. There we are. Good enough. So the good news is, got the I got that one line off. The bad news is that ATF cleans off your hands real good, which means it's a solvent of some sort. And I've got it all up in my hair. That's good for that too. This bar goes up to the gear shift on the steering column, and it's held in with just a little cotter pin, it looks like. So I'm gonna pull him out. On a free transmission. Oh, there she is. That's that cotter pin. And then we push this out, I guess. She doesn't want to come out yet for reasons. There we go. That's good enough. Might ought to take that off. Is it this one? Oh, it is this one. What is this one? It's a Husky. Alright, all we need is a ratchet. We're in business. Oh my god, it's like a horror movie. It's like right out of my reach. Got it. Nailed it. Loose. Oh shit, I'm shifting the transmission doing that. That shifts the transmission. With park, reverse, neutral. Alright, we're just gonna leave that there. So far today, not too bad. Got everything assembled, got the car pushed in, got the plate put on, to eventually pull the motor, and we got the transmission decoupled from the car. Tomorrow, I'll probably find a bunch of stuff I did wrong that I'll have to redo. But for now, I'm gonna call it a win. So I'm gonna go ahead and button this garage door down as far as it'll go. I'm gonna collect my tools, and I'm gonna try to edit this video in some type of cogent narrative and put it on the old YouTubes. See you then. Have a good one.